いる実演はユニメート2000型による工作機の無人操作です。これをシステムユニオスと呼んでいます。システムユニオスにはユニオス10、ユニオス30の3段階のレベルがありますが、今までの加工機
This queer-looking monster, Unimate, demonstrates a fantastic performance. Children and adults alike heave a sigh of surprise and admiration as it promises to bring our dreams and hopes to a reality.
コンベヤーに排出してまいります。この作業では SQ オプション、メモリーグラムシステム、サブメモリーシステムの3つの専用オプションを使用していますが、それらのオプションを一つずつご説明いたしましょう。SQ、つまり配列制御オプションは一つのプログラムの中に同じ動作が繰り返しある。
この機械どこで作ってるのかしら。
Akashi Planetarium, the perennial symbol of Japan's standard time, stands on the terrestrial meridian of 135 degrees east longitude. This is Akashi City, an old historic town that flourished already in the feudal days. Akashi Castle was the citadel of Lord Matsudaira. The impressive aerial view shows the location of Kawasaki Heavy Industries' Akashi Works. Facing the scenic Seto Inland Sea and Akashi Straits, the site is embraced by beautiful natural environments. An integral part of the Kawasaki Heavy Industries' giant establishments, this works is responsible for the manufacture of engines, motorcycles, industrial machines and also labor-saving machines. Most of these machines coming out of the assembly line are familiar to us. For instance, the small gasoline engines and large diesel engines which are produced in the engine plants are requisites to our daily living, as they are used in wide fields of activities like transportation, agriculture, civil works, architecture and the leisure industry. High-fashion costumes are seen everywhere. Textile machines that produce fabrics for our costumes are being assembled in the industrial machine plants. Labor-saving machines are also products of Akashi Works. Among them are the labelers that can handle 800 bottles a minute per machine, and cases that put things into the case and pack them ready for shipment. Skyscrapers are the needs of the metropolitan areas. Iron frames, the backbone of these skyscrapers, are also made by machines coming from this works. Now showing is the Kawasaki Comm system that has perfected a series of automated operations from bringing in of steel material, processing and shipment. The technical staff of Kawasaki is developing a computerized system by automatically controlling several machines. Mass distribution of goods is a big problem confronting us today. This automatic warehouse, perfected by the combination of computer and several types of machines, can handle fast-moving goods with great efficiency without the help of human hands. A carbonic acid gas digesting device installed in a boiler room of a building. This is one of the recent developments achieved by Kawasaki's Akashi works, which is credited to have manufactured anesthetic medical instruments and scuba equipment. Watch out! Well, this is a fire drill. Carbonic acid gas blows from the nozzle to put out the fire. This is the latest model of gas turbine for ships displayed at the World Gas Turbine Show held in Tokyo in 1971. This huge turbine is used on the motors and engines for ships manufactured by Kawasaki. Now showing is a gas turbine manufactured at the Akashi works. A gas turbine is installed on a train for a test run. To put it into practical use, data is collected carefully. These gas turbines are expected to play an active role as power sources in the land traffic and industrial field as well. A great variety of merchandise you see here promise to us a more affluent life in the days to come. To ensure their safety, these products are repeatedly put to test under a number of conditions. Great efforts are put into them to make sure that not a single defect is overlooked. Shown here is a performance checkup of a motorcycle at a test stand. This is a continuous test run of Kawasaki Unimate, an industrial robot called a mechanical hand. The test continues for scores of hours on the assumption that Unimate is used under all possible circumstances. It goes without saying that these products undergo rigid tests in the course of manufacturing. Shown here is a flaw detecting test of a jet engine by a fluorescent light. A scene of a jet engine assembling plant. Parts that went through severe inspection are now being assembled. In a test cell surrounded by soundproof walls, the engine is run in completely the same condition as in actual operation. While collecting all sorts of data, man and gauges minutely keep checking so as not to allow even the slightest error to be overlooked. In the low temperature test room, a cold-proof test is in progress for the newly developed small engine. The inspector is checking whether the engine starts smoothly in temperatures 45 degrees centigrade below zero. Now you see a new motorcycle zoom through on the test course built on the premises of the plant for speed tests. In business and leisure, motorcycles are becoming more and more familiar companions of modern people. Their outstanding performance and fine appearance have won Kawasaki motorcycles worldwide acclaim, and their shipment to overseas markets is increasing steadily. These products go out of this plant only when they are guaranteed for safety and reliability. To develop a new product for merchandisation, a great deal of cooperation of people concerned is needed. In this design room, for instance, these designers are racking their brains to create a new type of motorcycle. Being functional and yet beautiful in appearance, these are the features they are driving at. A laboratory of jet engines. Day in and day out, these engineers work hard to create a new, powerful engine. All these people work as a team to develop their technology for increased production, trying to brighten their future. A research institute of technology newly built in the works is equipped with the most up-to-date facilities helpful to their research and experiment. One such example is a circular reservoir for testing ships' hulls. These facilities and accumulation of serious study go hand in hand. They help create products unique to Kawasaki Heavy Industries. Kawasaki products are thus being shipped out to various markets of the world. To help make our dreams come true, they are put into operation and so prove their contribution to the happy and affluent living of man is unlimited. With its technique nurtured by tradition and its youthful vigor to challenge the unknown, Kawasaki Heavy Industries' Akashi Works is bending its efforts to build a more affluent tomorrow.